charging up the unit. Battery low on my 9-volt battery low. I don't have any extra, so but I got about 40 pounds in each drum. This one is empty. I already put 40 pounds in that one. So I'm trying to get, I put a vacuum overnight down to 500 micron. So this is the new compressor. But I want to do an installation test on the new one so we can see the difference. Give me a good ground well. Got the Fluke 1507. Put that on the ground. Put this on insulation. Put this to the ground. Alright, start off with 500 volts. See, it's already taking the 500 that I put to it. Remember on that last compressor, it would only take like 200. I'm gonna go to the next leg, same thing. If you've seen my other video, you've seen when I tested out, it would not take the 500. And it was causing this breaker to trip. See, this compressor is rated for 460 volts. Compressor 460 volts. See it, 460. So, like I said, I just put 500, but 460 allow you to double it. So I'm gonna put 1,000 volts. You see, it immediately took the 1,000. So this compressor is good. I can even do a pi test where it'll count down to 10. So on pi, I can just press the button and it'll take that 1,000, and this will 10 will go all the way down to 0, and a pass button with LED will light up green. But I gotta have this unit up and running. I've been here since about 5 this morning, pulling the vacuum overnight. It's 6:51. The kids start coming in at about 8, I think. So I gotta button up this unit. This the hard part, because a lot of these screws and stuff is off track, and so I gotta figure out how I'm gonna get this thing put back together. And also, when you know, I just put 1,000 volts to it, so it's kind of like a capacitor. Cause you will get shocked. You gotta kind of before you touch. Alright, HVAC people, put this thing back together. Peace out. It's Thursday. Everybody have a good weekend. Whatever day you're watching this video, have a great day. Oh yeah, please like and subscribe to my videos. Share them if you think people can find this useful. Leave a comment, leave suggestions, good or bad, because I can take constructive criticism. Still got a lot to learn in this trade myself, but I do look forward to the future days of HVAC, trying to go to the next level, eventually start my own. But peace out. But y'all look for Washington AC and Heating in the Future LLC. Peace out.